Did you know that businesses using data-driven personalization sees 5 to 8 times higher return on investment on marketing spend? Or that 64% of marketing leaders believe this approach is critical in today's economy. So if you're a B2B sales director or business owner, stick around. I'm about to show you how data-driven marketing could be the game changer that you've been looking for. Who am I? Why should you listen to me? Hi, I'm Tony Koenig, and I help businesses like yours unlock the power of data to drive sales and build better marketing strategies. I've been in the internet and IT business since 1996, where I programmed DOS computers or DOS programs over to Visual Basics so that the year 2000 didn't crash us. If you're old enough, you will know that. If you're young enough, you'll have to Google year 2000 to figure out what that was. It was a lot of fun. I've been around for a while. I've seen it all. So over the years, I've worked with companies that have struggled to make sense of their data. And I have helped them turn those numbers into actionable insights that transform the bottom line. There's a saying that says that if you can't measure it, you can't grow it. So it's very important to look at data-driven and how data-driven results and insights can help you grow your business. So today, I'm here to do the same for you. Let's look at the power of data-driven marketing. Let's start with why data-driven marketing is a must-have for B2B sales, according to recent studies. Not what I say, what the clever guy says. So businesses using data-driven personalization achieve up to 8 times higher return on investment. With personalization, we mean that when you do an email, you actually speak to that person using their name, using information related to them, related to their company, and you get a much better open rate. So 78% of marketers have already integrated data analytics into their strategies. And over 40% of brands are increasing their budgets for data-driven marketing this year. These numbers don't lie. Data-driven marketing isn't just a trend. It is the future of how businesses connect with their audience and close more deals. It's the future of how your competition connect with their audience and close more deals than you. You don't want that. So if this sounds like something your business needs, click the link below to schedule a free strategy call with me. And let's figure out how to make this work for you. Now, let's look at some of the benefits of data-driven marketing. Why should you care about data-driven marketing? First of all, improved personalization. Imagine delivering tailored campaigns that speak directly to your prospects' pain points. Data insights help you to do just that, boosting engagement and conversions. Enhanced decision making. No more guesswork. Data analysis helps you make informed decisions, optimize your strategies, and stay ahead of market trends. Then number 3 is high efficiencies. Techniques like A/B testing and consumer journey analysis ensure you're spending your marketing budget wisely. A/B testing a headline or a email subject line can increase boost your open rates or your click-through rates by 30, 40, 50%. Small changes, very critical. Sometimes you don't know why, but for some reason, that change of wording just worked. Further on, revenue growth. By understanding customer behavior, you can unlock opportunities for unprecedented sales growth. How do you overcome the challenges? So let's be real. Data-driven marketing isn't without its challenges. Here are some of the common hurdles and how to overcome them. First of all, data quality issues. Incomplete or inaccurate data can undermine your campaigns. That's why it's crucial to focus on clean, reliable data sources. Number two, technology gaps. Many companies lack the advanced tools needed for actionable insights. Investing in the right CRM and analytics platforms is key. You need to do some research and make sure you make the right choice. Then, obviously, the thing that's haunting all of us these days, compliance risks. What data privacy regulate with data privacy regulations, you must ensure that your practices align with the latest laws. It's not just about avoiding fines, it's about building trust with your clients. They want to know that their information is safe with you. They want to know that you're not going to spam them or sell the information to somebody that's going to spam them. And number four here, some quick success tips on data-driven information in your business. So here is how you can start implementing data-driven marketing today. Number one, define clear objectives. Set measurable goals for your campaign. As I said earlier, you cannot grow what you don't measure. Invest in tools. Look at platforms that streamline data collection and analytics. You can often, when you look at a tool like this and the cost of the tool like that, you need to analyze this. You need to find out what's the return of investment of this tool. And I can tell you now, our database reactivations, our AI-generated lead generations, the return of investment grows close sales by 37%, brings in windfalls of $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 on a database reactivation. So it's very important to look into these things. Even if you don't want to do it yet, just get an informed decision. So focus on personalization. Use segmentation to deliver targeted messaging. This is a thing that's on the internet now that's doing very well with emails. It's called Show Me You Know Me. We want to talk to people that we trust. We want to talk with people who have something in common, people who know something about us. You need to bring this into your marketing. And why? Because we are fighting a trust deficit on the internet. Because of everything is exploding. AI, people want to know that they can trust who they're dealing with, and it's taking longer for people to trust you because of all of this. And then lastly, test and optimize. A/B testing is incredibly important in marketing, in sales, in closing, because small changes in your copy or in your creative can make big changes in your bottom line. So that's it. These strategies are simple but highly effective in driving results, and results is what you want. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more actionable tips or data-driven marketing, AI lead generation, and so forth. And if you're ready to take your sales to the next level, book a free call with me today. The link is in the description. And if you want to find out what your salespeople's mistakes are costing you, the video coming up just now, have a look at it, and it will actually open your eyes. I'll see you in the next video.